Hey friends! Today we're making delicious cookies. Yummy! Let's get started. Here's what we need: flour, sugar, butter, eggs, baking soda or baking powder, salt, vanilla extract. First, let's take 2 cups of flour and pour it into a bowl. Add 1 cup of sugar. Sprinkle in a little bit of salt, about half a teaspoon. And don't forget the baking soda, just a tiny bit, like half a teaspoon too. Now, let's add the butter. We need half a cup of butter, make sure it's soft. Crack 2 eggs and put them in the bowl. Then, add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract to make the cookies smell super yummy. Now, mix everything together until it looks nice and smooth. You can use a spoon or your hands, it's fun. Next, we roll the dough into little balls, about this big. Then, place them on a baking sheet with some space between them, like this. Now, let's bake them. Put the cookies in the oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit, or 175 degrees Celsius, for about 10 minutes, or until they're golden brown. Look at those yummy cookies. Let them cool for a little bit, and then they're ready to eat. Enjoy your cookies, friends. Thanks for baking with me today. See you next time.